We're going to be running 5Ks every day, and we're doing it for a few reasons. One, our physical health. Most people, they're 40, 50, 60 years old, they're unhealthy, they're obese. So we want to make sure that we have that long-term health. So every day we're going to pump 5Ks of running. And most important, your mindset. Think about this. It's uncomfortable to get up and run 5Ks every day. Like some days I wake up and I'm like, oh, I can't be bothered doing it. Even though it's only my 9th day. But the thing is, by actually overcoming that urge to not do it every day, you're training the mind to become like more powerful. Look at this, we're on the beach, it's so beautiful. And after our run, straight in the water, that's it. Ice bath style, call me Wim Hof.
Let's try to jump in the water.
I'm gonna pump a few push-ups to get 10 push-ups, you gotta get that pump before you jump in the water. I'm gonna go all in, so there's no walking in, you just gotta run straight in and jump in. Well, you gotta take these out of your pockets first. Nearly jumped in with my headphones. Yeah, so when COVID hit, I was in Sydney, and what I realized was we weren't able to travel overseas for the next few months at least. So I moved to the hottest place in Australia, the Gold Coast. It was always a dream to come to the Gold Coast, and honestly, what a feeling. I'm right on the beach now. The beach is actually just right out there. It's definitely a dream come true. My best mates have quit their full-time jobs as well to come and work with me. It's just an incredible feeling. And the crazy thing is about the coronavirus situation is that so many people have now realized that it's not that safe to have a 9-to-5 job. When a business is struggling, the first people they get rid of is their employees. So there's so many people left without jobs now. That's why Ecom Warrior, our ecom education program, is growing like crazy. People are looking for another source of income. We want to be able to start an online business so we can work from wherever we want in the world. By starting an online business, it's just the safest way to earn an income without actually trading your time for money. So a lot of people are realizing the importance of secondary incomes now. It's been great to help so many people get started with their first online business, because if you're a complete beginner out there, there's so many different sources of information that are saying different things. So that's why we help people from complete beginner and we get them started with their first ecom business from scratch. Something that's been really pivotal to me is my mentor. So I'm about to jump on a call with my mentor now, and I really just think about it, and I've got 5 to 7 different mentors right now. I pay them over $200,000 a year in total. And the great thing about having mentors is these are people that have been there and done what you want to do. If you look at a business, for example, you might have sales departments, you might have marketing, you might have admin, you might have customer support. There's all these different aspects of a business when you want to grow it. So I find the best mentors out there. I bounce all my ideas off them. And once I've got all the correct information, that's when I make a decision. And that's why we've been able to grow all our e-com stores and all our education companies so quick, because I find the best people in the world and then I chat with them and they help me, one, figure out what's the most important things to apply to the business to grow it. And number two, what are the things to watch out for and mistakes that usually happen. By doing this is the fastest way you can grow any business with the smallest amount of risks. I'm gonna jump on a call with my mentor now, go over a few things, and yeah, I'll chat to you soon. Alright, Corey, well, thanks so much for everything again.
Yeah, pleasure. We'll talk to you next week.
Alright, chat next week. Alright, see you, Corey. So I just jumped off my call with one of my mentors, Corey. And the great thing that I just realized about mentors is no matter what aspect it is of life that you want to improve, just do a Google search. Find people out there that are where you want to be in that aspect of life, whether it's the best fitness coach, whether it's the best relationship coach, reach out to them, because that is the secret to success, and to succeed quickly is by learning and modeling people that are already successful.